In front of me is Realme GT8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by launching an app called ThemeStore that's already on your device. Then select the perfect font style by going into Home or Category at the bottom and tapping on Font sections at the top. You can also click on the search bar and type in whatever you want to. Either way, when you're ready, hit apply under the best font style for you, or buy it and then hit apply. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to your default one, just go back into ThemeStore app, hit me at the bottom right corner, and tap on My Resources. Then select Fonts at the top and hit Apply under Default Font Style. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!